Hey guys, thank you for installing the app very quickly. We're going to go through the permissions. 4 simple permissions. 2 out of the 4 are for location. This is used for mile tracking. Let's go to open settings. Permissions and then location. Now you can do allow only while using that, but we want the other setting so we can track miles if you accidentally close that. So allow at all time. Okay, let's go back. Refresh. We're all set there. We need overlay permission. It's just a simple toggle. If you go into the app settings again, scroll to the bottom. Appear on top is off at the moment. Let's turn it back on or on. And let's refresh again. And we have one more permission, which is standard for most all apps now. Allow notifications. And allow notifications here. And that's basically it. You can refresh again, and it looks like you're all set with the permissions. Easy peasy.